Hey, keto warriors, have you ever struggled to stay consistent with keto? Maybe you start strong, but then find yourself falling off track. The key isn't just willpower, it's aligning your keto journey with your deepest values. Today, I'll share 3 powerful ways to make keto work for you long term. Number 1. Value your health and longevity. If you're doing keto, chances are you care about your health. But when temptations hit, remind yourself, am I feeding disease or am I fueling my body for longevity? Shift your mindset from I can't have that to I don't want that because I value my health more. Number 2, value energy and productivity. Ever notice how carbs make you crash? With keto, you get sustained energy all day long. No more sugar crashes, no more brain fog, just pure, steady focus. If productivity and energy are important to you, keto isn't just a diet. It's a game changer and a lifestyle. Number 3, value food freedom, not restriction. Keto is not about deprivation. It's about food freedom. You can enjoy amazing meals that fuel your body while still indulging in delicious flavors and tastes. The key is learning to swap old habits for better, tastier, and healthier choices that keep you satisfied and on track. So, when you align your keto journey with what truly matters to you, staying consistent becomes easy and natural. So what's your biggest motivation for doing keto? Drop a comment below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you never miss a new keto tip. See you the next time.